For your tacos, you're just gonna need some steak. I have beef top round steak. You just want to go ahead and cut it into small pieces. The smaller the better. And I try and clean it up as much as possible. Remove some of that fat. Once you finish cutting up your meat, your steak, you just want to season it with whatever you want. I use this one. This one's my favorite seasoning. But you can use any seasoning of your choice. If you don't have any, you could just use salt and pepper. Still tastes really good. I have my skillet ready with some oil. And you just add your beef, you stir occasionally. You want to cook it until it's brown. I mean, it really depends on how you like your beef. Well done. I like mine a little crispy, I guess. So it's up to you. This is how I like mine. So it's ready. Now, water tacos without onions and cilantro. So I've chopped mine up along with some salsa. And you just want to get your comal ready, your skillet, throw your tortillas on there. Flip them halfway through. A few seconds on each side until they're soft. I have mine on high heat. Now you just add whatever you want on them. Onions, your cilantro, oops, and your salsa verde. And that's it. This recipe's fast and easy. And yeah, enjoy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit that notification button for more recipes and upcoming videos. See you guys soon. Bye.